Another example under the indices. We are given this question: simplify minus 4u square v bracket everything to a power of 3. You can first bring out this. You have minus 4 u square v. You can try to write it 3 times, or you can decide to say, okay, minus 4 is power 3. If you have minus 4 u square v is power 3, you bring the one of them out from my own. This one minus 4 is power 3, that is minus 4 is power 3, and u square is power 3, and v is power 3. See, they are all in the power of 3. So minus 4 is power 3 is minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. That is minus 64. Minus 64. Then u 2 is power 3, the 2 times 3, that is u is power 6. And then v is power 3, you have v is power 3. So since u and v are not same base, so we will not have, so our final answer will be minus 64, u raised to power 6, and v raised to power 3. So that is our solution to the question. Okay, let's look at other aspect of indices, which has to do with fractional indices. We are looking at fractional indices. Fractional indices. Under the fractional indices, we are dealing with when we have a fraction of an indices. So there is a way we simplify our fraction under indices. For instance, now let's say that you are given s raised to power minus 2 over 3. So when a fraction given to you, when a power given to you is in form of fraction, there is a way to express it. So with this one, we can express this one as the number here will represent root. That means this one is cube root. Power s for a root. S raised to power minus 2. So this one will give for power, while this one down here will be for root. So the one denominator will always be for root, while the one of up numerator will be for power. Assuming you are given the k is power 1 over 4 or 2 over 4 like this, 2 over 4. If you want to express it in what in fraction, in indices, it can be 4 roots, then k squared. So the one up is always for power, and while the numerator here is always for the root. So that will have only express number on the fractional index. With this, let's look for problem expression and see how we can simplify expression under fractional indices. Okay. But let's look at the following example. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. 1. We have 8 raised to power minus over 3. 2. We have 4 raised to power 1 over 6. 4 into power 1 over 6 multiplied by 4 into power 1 over 3. And the third one, 3, we have 16 over 81 into power of minus 3 over 4. So this is a typical example of fractional indices. You can see that their power is always in form of fraction. That's what it means by fractional. Their power is always, unlike the previous one, that their power is whole number. Like this one, our power is whole number. But here, the power is in fraction. Okay, let's look at the first one. First one, we have 8 raised power minus 2 over 3. So if you have to simplify this, since you have power, the denominator is in form of what? Of 3. So let's express this 8 as in indices as 2 raised power 3, because our 8 is taken as 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 raised power 3, multiplied by this 8 is taken as 2 raised power 3, multiplied by what? This power. What is power? Minus 2 over 3. Here we can have this one as 3 over 1. Here, this 3 can cancel this 3. And here we have 3 raised by what? Minus 2. And that's what? 1 over 4. Final answer will be 1 over 4. Final answer will be 1 over 4. How do you get 1 over 4? Because minus 1 over 2 power 2 is 4. Now we have 1 over 4. Okay. Let's look at the second one. Second one, number 2, we have 4 raised power 1 over 6 multiplied by 4 raised power 1 over 4 over 3. So from the rule of indices, we have to pick one. They have the same base. We are going to have 4 raised power. Look at the power here is 1 over 6. See what is between the two expression is tens. So we are going to add cross the power here. That's 1 over 3. It's 1 over 3. So we are going to have 4. Then for LCM of 6 and 3, LCM is 6. LCM now that 6 will go in. So 6 is 6, we have 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. Yeah, 3 is 6. 3 is 6, we have 2. 2 times 1, we have 2 times 2. And then we now have first power. What is 1 plus 2? That's 3. 3 over 6. And here we can cut. 3 here 1. 3 here 2. So going to be 4 raised power 1 over 2. Here we can still go further. You can go further by simplifying it. If you have 4 raised power 1 over 2, it can be expressed as, you can express this 4 as form of 2 raised power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So this 2 I can put over 1 like this. This 2 can call this 2. Our final answer will be 2. So when you have a base that you can see especially the indices, so that you can call this power and go further. So our final answer will be 2. Okay. Our third example is 16 over 81. 16 over 81. If I'm right, it should be 16 over 81, not 16 over 18. 16 over 81. So 16, we are having 16 over 81. So third one we have 16 over 81 into power of minus 3 over 4. So you can express this as, let's use 4. Can 4 go in 81? 4 square is 16. Let's use the envelope for number that is okay, 2 is power 4. Go in this. Go in this. 81 and 16. Let's see if we can we see a number that can go in 16 and 81. To check 81. Okay, you can do like this. You can write our 16 to be minus 3 over 4 like this, then over 81 also to be minus 3 over 4. You can do this separately like this first. So if you do there, 16 to power of minus 3 over 4, then this 81 into minus 3 or minus 3 over 4. So here I can express my 16 as 3 over 4 times minus 3 over 4 like this. Then over this 3 over 4 is equal to 16. 81, I can express 81 as 3 raised by 4 times minus 3 over 4. For 3 raised by 4 is sitting as 81. So why 16 as 3 raised by 4? Here 4 can cancel this 4 here. Likewise, here also 4 can cancel this 4. So if you look at it, what will remain up here is minus 3 to the power minus 3 divided by this one was 2 to the power minus 3. And what we have 2 to the power minus 3 is written as 1 over 2 to the power 3 divided by 1 over 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 over 2 to the power 3. Divided. 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 over 3 to the power 3. So here it will give us 1 over 8 because 2 to the power 3 is 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 2 to the power 3 is 1 over 27. Then it will give us 1 over 8 times 27 over 1. So now we say that I can go there. So you have 27 over 8. So you can do one fraction. How many 8 can we find in 27? You are going to get 3. That's a 3 whole number. And that 8 times 3 is 24. 24 remains from 27 will remain 3. So go to 3 whole number, 3 over 8. That's our final answer. Our final answer is 3 whole number, 3 over 8. So that is the solution to that particular question under fractional indices. Okay, I see I have some other example here. Let's look at another example under the fractional indices. Let's look at another example under fractional indices. Simplify. You have to simplify. First one, I have 72a squared b minus 72 a squared b minus this power minus 3, this power minus 2 divided by divided by the here I have divided by I think 72 a power 3 72 a power 3 and 3 power minus 1 3 power minus 1. So if you have something like this and you have to simplify, you have to simplify this. So let's look at this. So we have 72 a squared b minus 2 divided by 72 a 3 by 3b minus 1. So what we can do here is, since this and this are not easy, you can get the 72 over 72. Then this one, A and A here, you have A power 2. Because of divided, that's minus. What do you have here? A power 3 like this. Then B and B 2. But you have B, this power minus 2. What do you have here? Minus. I'm having minus because of division. What is power here? Minus 1. 72 because of division. 72 plus 72 is A is power 2 is A. Another A that is power 2. Because of division that we have minus. What power of A here? 3. Then B you have B. What power of B here? Minus 2. Because of division minus. And what power of B here? Minus 1. So in that case, you ask 2 plus 72 just give you 1. The A power you have now have A power minus 1. 2 minus 3, you have A power minus 1. And B power what? Minus 2. You have minus 2 plus 1 because minus and minus give us plus. Minus give us plus. So you can just say A power minus 1 and B power what? Minus 1. So in that case, you can clearly say everything here is equal to 1 over AB. Because A minus 1 is 1 over A. And B minus 1 is also 1 over B. And 1 times 1 you have 1, 8 times B you have AB. So your final answer will be 1 over AB. So that is the solution as far as that is concerned. So if you are not given this one too, you are asked to simplify. You are asked to simplify this. So if you have to simplify this particular form, look at this now. Simplify. Another example. Okay. Simplify. You have to simplify. The first one is 125. 125 raised to power minus 1 over 3. 2. 2 you have 18 over 32. 18 over 32 is the power of minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. And the third one you have you have 3 cube of 4 raised to power is power here 1.5. And then another one is a square root of one whole number 9 over 16 4. Square root of one whole number 9 over 16.